Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video we will share the details for Fall Guys error code 200_012. The error reads, Epic Game Account Error. An error has been returned by Epic Online Service. Please retry later or contact Epic Games Player Support if the issue persists. As per our research, this error prevents players from logging into the game. Some users have reported that they encountered this error immediately after downloading the game for the first time. According to our research, the error is likely caused by account verification issues, game file corruption, or Epic Games server problems. The first thing you should try is restarting both your device and router. To do so, turn off your device and router. Then wait for a few seconds, then restart them. Then check if the game works now. If the error still comes, then make sure your game is up to date before trying again. If you tried restarting the device as well as the game is up to date, then try validating the game files to check for any missing or corrupted data, and then check for the error again. If the issue persists, the problem might be with Epic Games servers. Simply visit status.epicgames.com and check if the servers are down. If the servers are experiencing issues, you will need to wait until they are back online. If none of the previous steps help and the error continues for too long, then you should reach out to Epic Games Support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.